Fine. Okay.
Good
Okay.
evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
No.
Good, good afternoon. Okay. All of y'all can turn on your cameras, okay? Keep your speakers on mute and y'all can turn on your cameras. Y'all can put on your cameras, okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Y'all can turn
Yes,
on your
ma'am.
cameras.
Yes.
I can't see anyone's cameras turned on. Put your cameras on so that we can talk to each other better, right? I can't see any of y'all.
The cameras are on. Um, you can pin to KitUKate presentation. The cameras are on, like for the children.
Okay, but
You pin on to KitUKate presentation. All of you are pin on to KitUKate.
okay. So I want to quickly know all of y'all's names. I don't remember them. Last time y'all told me y'all's names, but I don't remember. Okay, I'm a very bad learner. Come on, tell me y'all's names.
My name is Jinisha.
Okay, Jinisha.
My name
Yes,
is
then
Shravya.
Shaurya.
My name is Gauri.
Who's the one who said Gauri?
Ma'am, me. Ma'am? My
Okay, okay.
name is Ines.
What is your name? Ainesh. Okay.
Ma'am,
And
my name is Anvi.
My name is Anisha.
okay.
Ma'am, my name is Anvi.
And okay. And one more is left, I think. Everyone has have told y'all's names.
My name is Anna.
Anna.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you switch on your camera? Okay. Have you all done last week's assignment, children? Have you all done
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Show it to me. All of
Yes,
you
ma'am.
show the assignment. Show me your assignment. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't do it.
Okay, you didn't do it. Next class I'll see it, okay? You must do it next. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good,
Yeah.
Jinisha. And have you done it? I am really confused about Janisha and what is the other name? Janisha.
Ma'am, I'm Zanisha.
Okay, Janisha. Okay, show me your assignment. Okay, you were supposed to. Where did you color it, beta?
Ma'am,
You have to color it, no?
Ma'am, I did not have a printer, so I drew it, and I did not have the time to color it.
Fine. You didn't have time to color it.
Yes, so I just wrote the temperature.
Okay, okay. Okay, next class I want everyone to finish it fully. Okay, you all must color it also. Okay, I'll
Okay.
see it next class.
Ma'am, I colored it.
Okay,
And
yeah.
I also
Sure. Okay, fine. Next class I'll see everyone's assignment again. and it should be completed. Okay, it should be colored, and the temperature should be clearly visible, up to which temperature the week's every day's temperature should be clearly visible in that. Okay,
Okay.
will I get it in the next class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Sure, ma'am. I've done it.
okay, all right, all right. Okay, so today we'll begin with, okay, today's topic is states of matter. Today's topic is going to be states of matter.
States of matter.
Yeah. So, are you comfortable in Hindi and English both? All of you can
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
Hindi or English also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप अपने चारों तरफ देखो और बोलो कि आपके चारों तरफ क्या क्या चीजें हैं, एक एक चीज बताओ, क्या चीजें हैं आपके चारों तरफ?
Wall.
वॉल,
Wall.
ओके, वॉल, ओके, वॉल इज
Solid.
wall can be called matter. Okay, we discuss why. First we need to see what is matter and what is not.
Color stones.
Very good.
Color
Okay.
stones.
Color. Very good.
Water. Water.
Gas.
Stone, water, gas. Which gas?
Gas.
Which gas do you use?
Water vapor.
Water vapor. Okay, you must mention it. Water vapor. Okay. All these things that you are mentioning. Stones, wall.
Fevicol.
What is that? Fevicol. Okay.
Wind.
Stone, water, wind. Okay, we feel it. Okay, we cannot see it. Can we see the wind?
No.
Can we see it?
No.
No, we can feel it. So all these things that you told now, yes, okay. Now all these things that you told now are all matter. Okay, all these things that you all see around you all is matter. Next slide. We can say that matters all around us. Let that be the color stones, the fevicol, the wall, which you all mentioned, okay, which you all said, the wall, and what else you all said about water vapor, you all said about wind, okay. All these things are, what are all these things called? They are called matter. All right. Okay. Now you all look at the picture on the left hand side. You all can see some things. A table you all can see. You all can see a bus. Okay. A boy, vegetables, a glass of milk, a ball, books. All these can be called matter. All of these can be called matter. Okay. Now, what is not a matter? What we cannot call matter is, suppose all of you all love your mama a lot. Okay, now it's a birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
You all want to give her a gift. तो आप लोग क्या करोगे? गिफ्ट ले जाके मम्मा को दोगे. तो मम्मा के पास टेबल है, उसके ऊपर रख दोगे गिफ्ट. तो गिफ्ट क्या हुआ? What is the gift called? What is the gift called? Is it called matter or is it not called matter?
It is called matter. It is matter.
Okay. Now we say what is matter? Matter is something that has some weight. Okay, it has some weight. For example, matter is something that has some weight. Anything that has some weight is matter. Okay, and it should take some space. That is also matter. It should have these two things. It should have some weight and it should take some space. Like a book. A book has some weight or not? किताब का कोई वेट है या नहीं? है कि नहीं?
Yes.
Ma'am.
It does take some space on your table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it can be called matter. Okay. I want to show you all something. Okay, see, all of you can see my hand.
Yes.
I'm sure. What is this? What is this? What am I showing you? Matchbox.
Matchbox.
It's a matchbox. Okay. Now, if I hold it, if I catch it, it's having some weight. Yes or no? Matchbox has some weight. Okay. Now, if I place it on my hand, it is also taking some space on my hand, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what will be called? Will be called
Matter.
matter. Matter. Okay. Now we'll go to the present. Okay. Now you'll understand what is matter. Two things have to be there if it is a matter. What are the two things? One is it should have weight. Yes, you're telling me.
And you have to, it should have space.
Okay, it should take some space. All right. If these two things are there, then that thing is called a matter. That thing will be called matter. Is that clear to all of you? What can be called matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when I was telling you all, if it's your mama's birthday and you all want to give her a gift, okay, you all keep it on the table. Is it occupying some space on the table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And does it have some weight?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will it be called?
Matter.
It will be called
Matter.
Why did you all bring her that gift? Because you all love her so much. Okay, you all love her a lot. So does that love have any weight?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, does not have weight. Does it take space? Does
No,
the
ma'am.
love that I have for her take some space? No.
No, ma'am.
So will it be called matter?
No, ma'am.
So love cannot be called matter. Okay. Now, you all are very happy. Okay. You all are smiling. Does that smile have any weight?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Does it take some space? So it also
ma'am.
cannot be considered. So it also cannot be called as matter. Okay? If you are praying to God, okay, even that has no weight and it also does not take any space.
No, it doesn't have weight.
It does not have weight and it does not take space. So it is also not called matter. Yes.
Feelings are not matter, right?
Okay. Suppose I'm talking to you all. My words, will it be called matter? My
No,
words, no, because it does not have these two things. It does not have space. It does not take space, and it does not have any weight. Correct? So you have understood what is matter and what is not matter. Can you all know the difference between what is matter and what is not matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next slide now. Okay. Next slide. Now matter can be divided into three types. One is solid, one is liquid, and one is gas.
Yes.
What is that? Solid, liquid, and gas.
Yes.
Now you see some examples are there. Solid can be a helicopter. It can be false teeth, hammer, saw, clock. These are all solid matter. Okay. See, liquid, water. Every day you'll come across water. Okay, you're like drinking water. So water is a liquid matter. Okay, milk is liquid. Juice is liquid. Tea, coffee, all these are liquid matter. Okay,
Yes.
gas can be, if you burn a candle, the smoke above the candle can be gas. The smoke above the candle can be gas. Okay, now if there is a hot bowl of soup, okay, then the smoke coming from the hot soup, that will also be
Gas.
Okay.
Yes.
That will be gas, and gas is a matter. Okay. These three are the types of matter: solid matter, liquid matter, and gas matter. Okay.
Yes,
Which will
ma'am.
see the air. We cannot see the air, but we can feel air. Why we cannot see the air?
Yes.
Tell me. Because it has no color. The air has no color, so we cannot see it, but we can feel it or not. And air is also, many gases are there in the air. So these are all different types of matter that we learnt about: solid matter, liquid matter, and gas matter. Okay. Now you all tell me. Okay, you all tell me any solid matter. Tell me the names of any solid matter. Anything that is solid and it can be called matter.
Wall.
What is that?
Marble.
Okay.
Marble.
Marble. Marble. Okay. Then
A keyboard.
a keyboard. Yes.
Table,
Any
laptop.
that? What? Laptop.
Building.
Okay.
Building.
Okay.
Building.
Now open
Building.
solids. Okay. Now we know more about liquids. Now anyone can tell me about any other examples of liquids, liquid matter?
Water.
Water.
Drinks.
Any more?
Soup. Drinks. Soup. Soup. Drinks. Drinks.
Soup.
Drinks.
Drinks means which drinks? What are you talking about?
Mercury.
Soup. Soup.
What is it?
Ma'am,
Soup.
is mercury a liquid?
Yes.
Bathtub.
Yes. Mercury is a liquid.
Water.
Mercury is a
Bathtub.
liquid.
Water. Bathtub.
Water.
Water. Alcohol.
Okay. Tell me any gas.
Is butter semi-solid? Is butter semi-solid?
Butter. Yes.
Gas smell. Gas smell.
What
Ma'am,
is
is
that? Gas.
Ma'am, cream is liquid.
Steam
What
from
is that?
soup.
Hydrogen.
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 Juice.
Nitrogen.
All of y'all don't speak at a time. I cannot hear all of y'all. Okay, one by one, y'all speak so that I can get y'all. What are
Ma'am,
you trying to say? One.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'll tell.
Yes. Okay, okay, you say. Yeah.
Gas smell.
Okay, gas smell. Very
ma'am,
good.
ma'am,
Yes.
is cream liquid or semi-solid?
It will be considered as, it will not be liquid or it will not be completely solid. It is something in between both of them. Okay, so it will be considered semi-solid. Okay.
And
Now all of you, yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Soda.
So, okay.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. So these are different types of
Matter.
gases. Now we'll go to the next slide. As we discussed that solid, liquid, gas, they are all having, they are all there. Okay, these are three different types of matter. Now solid, as I told you all, it has a fixed shape. Okay, solid has, okay, we'll see the matchbox again. I'll show you all something again.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Okay, say, ask.
Is human body solid?
Yes, it can be considered as solid. Okay, because we are occupying some space. We are having
Yes,
weight.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it can be considered as matter and it is solid matter. Okay.
Okay.
Now take a look at this again. Okay. Now if,
Magic box.
okay.
Okay.
the matchbox, I'm giving you another example. Take this ball. Okay, can you see this ball? Pink colored ball.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this ball has a fixed shape. The shape is fixed. If you catch it on your hand, it has that shape. If you put it on the table, it also has the same shape. Is it shape changing?
No, ma'am.
Is the shape of the ball? So it okay. Solids have a fixed shape. Okay, solids, every solid, they have a fixed shape. Okay, we can go back to the presentation now. Now, solids, they have a fixed shape. Example is the ball. Another example, we can say ice cube. And you all have also told me some more examples before. Okay, some more examples you all told me before. So we'll not again discuss other examples. Okay,
Ma'am, ice cube can melt into water.
Yes, ice cube melt into water, but when it is ice, it is
Solid.
but when it is ice, solid. Okay, when it is ice, it is solid. When it is water, then it is liquid. But when it is ice, it is solid. Yes or no? Okay. Now now liquids. Liquids, do they have a shape of their own? Do they have a fixed shape? No, they don't have a fixed shape.
No.
If you keep the liquid in a bottle, it will take the shape of the bottle. If you keep it in a bowl, it will take the shape of the bowl. If you keep it in any container, it will take the shape of that container. Okay. Isn't it?
Shake it.
Wherever you keep it, it will take the shape of that container. It does not have any fixed shape. Can we say the liquid is shaped like this? No, there is no fixed shape for the liquid. Okay, in whichever container you place it, that it takes the shape of that container. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we already learned about the examples of liquids. Okay, it can be juice, milk, it can be tea, coffee. Okay, all these are liquids. For gases freely move about. Like the air has lots of gases in it. So, so many gases are there in the air and they can freely move about. We, everywhere that we go, we can feel the air. We breathe in the oxygen from the air. Okay, so gases are freely moving. One example is water vapor. You all also told me some other examples, and we discussed some other examples for this. The smoke candle. Okay? The clouds are also vapor. Okay, and any more other things? Any more gases? Can you name some other gases? Yes.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Okay.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Okay, very good, very good. Understood what are solids, liquids, and gases, and what is the main property we can say? Solid has a fixed shape. Yeah, these are three types of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid has a fixed shape. Liquids don't have a fixed shape. They take the shape of the what? What do they take the shape of?
Container.
Container. Okay. And gases are freely moving. They also have no fixed shape. Gases can move freely. Yes, like? Anyone wants to say something? No. Okay. Now we'll do the next slide. Next slide.
Can you hear me?
Now we'll do an experiment. All of you get ready. You'll need pebbles. Okay, and you'll need three types of containers.
We don't have pebbles or marbles.
What do you have? What you'll have, y'all can show that where the things are. Okay. All of you all set your camera in such a way. You don't have pebbles? Then yes. Then what do you have? Do you have marbles?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Okay. You can see it's done. Okay. We'll just you can see the experiment. It's done. Everyone in 3 types of containers and 3 pebbles will do. Everyone.
Okay, 3 pebbles in each, no? I will.
3 pebbles in each.
Yes. 3, yes, 3 pebbles you need.
एकच टाकायचं.
All of you all set your camera so that I can see that you all have the containers and the pebbles. If you all do not have, you all can just look at the experiment. Okay, how others are performing it, you all can see.
Who muted me?
Don't mute each other. Gauri, I cannot see her. Okay, all of you show me y'all's setup, how y'all have kept the containers and the pebbles.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I can see Zenisha's. Okay, very good. Types of containers. Yes, I can see.
Look, my container.
Containers. Yeah. Anyone else? Others I cannot see. Y'all don't have the pebbles or y'all don't have the containers.
आता करून दाखव ना.
Can y'all see my containers and the pebbles?
I have not pebbles and I don't have the pebbles.
Okay, you don't have pebbles.
So instead, use the stones over there.
After the class, I can see. What you will do, you will just get some stones. If you don't have pebbles, out of your house, there may be some stones, right? So you can collect some stones. 3 stones will do. 3 small stones. Okay? Now you all can see what is done. All of you, yeah. See, you all can see 3 pebbles in different containers, right? Pebbles दिख रहे हैं आप लोगों को?
Yes.
Okay. Now what you all will do? See, now I want to show you all. Are the pebbles? They are a fixed shape. You all can see. They are a fixed shape or not? All of you all see. All of you all see your stone. Look at it.
Yes.
They are a fixed shape.
This is
Yes or
my
no?
house.
Now, does it take the shape of the container? Tell me. Does it take the shape of the container?
No. No.
No. No, it does not take the shape of the container because it has a fixed shape. So it does not take the shape of the container. Okay? And the space that it is occupying in each one, if you put it on the table, will that space become more or less? This pebble is occupying some space inside this container. Now, if you take it out and put it on the table, will it occupy more space or less space?
Less space.
Is it occupying less space? Is it occupying less space or the same space?
Oh, same space.
The same space.
Isn't it? Occupying the same space. It is not less or it is not.
Ma'am, actually, how
Yes.
is it less space? It's supposed to be fixed.
No, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't say it's less space. It is the same space. The space that is inside the container, if you put it on the table, it is occupying the same space. It is not less, neither it is more. Okay, it is the same space. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes.
Yes. So what are two things that we know about solids now? Tell me, what are the two things that we know from this experiment? Two things that we know about solids from this experiment. Tell me. Two things that we could know from this experiment. What did we know?
Solid, liquid, gas.
No, about solids, what we knew. What are the two things that we knew? One is it has a fixed shape. It has a fixed shape. Yes. It does not take the shape of the container. And it also takes particular space. So that is called the volume. Okay. It takes a particular space, so that is called volume. So two things we learned here. Solids have a fixed shape, they have a fixed volume. Tell along with me what are the two properties you came to know from this experiment. What are the two things you learned about solid?
Solid has the fixed place and
They have to take space and they have to have heat.
And it has a fixed shape. Two things, okay? It has a fixed shape and it occupies a fixed space. So it has fixed volume. Two things. It has fixed shape, it has fixed volume. Clear with everyone?
Yes,
Is that clear? Okay. Now what we do? Now
do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can take water. We can take water in the three containers. Take out your pebbles and put water. All of you all put water and observe yourselves. All of you all see, put water in different containers and tell me, does water have a fixed shape? Does water have a fixed shape?
बस तीन कंटेनर मध्ये नाही टाकायचे बस.
No, ma'am. This is liquid. It's taking the space. No.
The shape of the what is the
It is liquid. It is taking the shape of the container.
container? Very good.
Then we put it inside.
So liquid is taking the shape of the container. And what about the volume?
मला सांगू नको लक्ष दे.
It is taking the shape of the container.
Okay. Now, if you are, suppose you are put the liquid from one container, yes,
A liquid is taking shape of the container.
if you take liquid from one container and put it in bottle, will it occupy more?
Stop.
Children, don't make a noise, okay?
Excuse me, it is disturbance in the background. We can't hear it properly.
All the children, please keep your mic in mute. Advait, Rajesh Patil, you have to keep your mic on mute unless you are asked to talk.
Ma'am, you should put this stone in the water.
No, you don't have to put. See, listen to what ma'am is saying, okay?
Yeah. So what you all have to do is, there are three different containers and all of them, they don't have any fixed shape. Can you all see? They don't have fixed shape. They take the shape of the container. Suppose the water from this container, I will put it inside a bottle. Will it occupy more space or will it be the same space that it will occupy? Will it take the same space or will it take more space inside the bottle?
It will take the same space.
It will take the same space. It is not, the water quantity is not, the water is not becoming more or less. The water is the same. Only the shape is changing. Okay, means the shape, it takes the shape of the container, but it has a fixed volume. So what we learned from here, that liquid.
Auntie, actually,
Have all of you observed it?
I have a
Everyone?
question. Actually,
Yes.
not only water can have the shape of anything, even slime can have a shape of anything. So if you keep slime on your finger, it'll make the shape of your finger.
Okay. Yes, we said about liquids. Okay. It's not only water. This is just an example, just an experiment to show you all that liquids have this property. Okay. All liquids follow this property. All of the liquids, they have this thing in common. Okay. That they don't have a fixed shape. They take the shape of the container. Okay. And they have a fixed volume. They have a fixed volume. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
What about solids? What type of shape it has? Solids, what type of shape it has? Tell me, I want you all to answer. What type of shape the solids have?
The solid will
Fixed.
have a fixed shape.
Fixed shape. And volume?
It has a
Volume
fixed
is?
shape.
Okay. And what about volume in solid? Volume in solids? What is the meaning of volume? It is the space that is occupied that a solid takes. What is the volume? Volume is also fixed. Okay. Will the space, suppose I give you the example of this matchbox. Now, if this matchbox is placed on the table and if it is placed on my hand, will it occupy more or less space or the same space?
The same space.
Same space. So it has a fixed volume also. It has fixed shape. It has fixed volume. Now, what about liquids? Two properties we learned. What? Tell me.
It will cover the container.
Okay, it will take the shape of the container. It has no fixed shape. Another property. Another
Its shape according to the container.
container. Volume. What about the volume?
The same thing.
Same thing. So we can say fixed volume.
Fixed
Clear?
volume.
Fixed
Fixed
volume.
volume.
Okay. Is that clear with all of y'all? Did y'all understand about solids and liquids? Now we'll move on to gas. Okay. Now all of y'all are having agarbatti, incense stick with y'all?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now what you'll do, we will take the 3 containers again. Okay. And burn some incense sticks. Now burn it very carefully. Okay. Strike the matches carefully. Strike it carefully and be careful while striking the matches. Put off the matchstick. Don't throw it down. Okay, it might catch fire. It has a good smell, right? You like the smell of the agarbatti? Yes or no? You like it smell?
Yeah, yeah.
No.
No, you don't like it. Okay. So what you will do, you will borrow agarbatti and you will put it in the container. See how, wait, I'll show you how you have to place it.
Ma'am should do it.
Yeah, you have to do.
Ma'am, my mother is not here. Can I do it afterwards?
Staying in the container.
You cannot light the matches, then please do it afterwards, okay? See how take a look how you place it in the container. I am putting it in this way.
એટલે ચાલુ કરીને જ ને
Okay? Can you see? All of you all do it. If you all cannot light the matches, then please only look at the experiment. You all can perform it afterwards. You all can do it afterwards when elders are there with you. Okay? And I want the camera focusing on your hand. Can you all do it? Can you all? Yes.
Ma'am, we're not able to catch it.
You all have to place.
It's
You are not able
moving
to.
out. It's
Okay, fine.
moving out of the container.
All right, then no problem. You all can just see how it is done. Can you all see the containers where it is placed?
Yes,
Those
ma'am.
who can do it, because those containers are of different shapes. Okay, so those who can do it, please do it.
Yeah, students, please focus your camera on the activity. We are able to see only your faces. We want to see the
Yes.
experiment.
Yes, we want to see what you all are performing. Okay, let's experiment. Focus it.
And how ma'am is doing now, while ma'am is doing, you follow the steps with her, okay?
All of you can. Is this visible to you? You'll have to burn the agarbatti and keep it inside the container. Everyone try to do it, and those no elders are there, please don't do it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Can you? Yes.
ma'am, it's moving out of the container.
Okay. So does it have a fixed shape? Does it have a fixed
No.
shape? No, it does not have a fixed shape. What about the volume? Does it occupy a fixed space?
No. It's spreading.
Spread out.
Moving.
It can spread out. So it does not have a fixed shape, nor does it have a fixed volume. Clear? Understood the properties of solid, liquid, and gas? All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can go to the presentation. Yeah. So quickly we'll revise what we studied. Now, solids, we studied that they have a fixed shape. They have a fixed volume. Okay? And solids cannot be pressed easily. If you try to press it, you cannot press it easily. Okay? I want to show you all something. See this? I showed you all a ball. If you try to press this ball, it will not be pressed easily. So it is not compressible. It is not, what is the word? Compressible. You cannot press it easily. It is not compressible. It is very hard. You cannot bend it. You cannot change its shape in any way. So it is rigid. Okay? So it's rigid. Okay, we go to the presentation. 4 properties now we know about solids. It has fixed shape, it has fixed volume, it is not compressible, and it is rigid. All of you understood these 4 properties? Tell me one by one, what are the properties? Shape, what type of shape? Which shape?
Fixed.
Fixed shape. Which
shape.
volume?
It
Which
has
volume?
Fixed volume.
Fixed volume. Okay. Next slide. Now, what about liquid? We already learned 2 properties. We already learned that it takes the shape of the container. And it has fixed volume. Yes or no? It has fixed volume?
Yes.
And Okay.
Yes.
Now, I want to show you all something. Okay. See, I'm taking these two bottles. You can see
Yes.
this bottle is full with water. This one. This one is full with water, and this one is half filled with water. I'm trying to press it. See which one is being pressed more. Which one?
Half.
The blue one or the green one? The half one is being pressed more. Yes or
Green one. Green one. Green one. Filled
and this one is okay. This green one is being pressed more, and the blue one is not being pressed more. This is filled with water. The blue one is filled with water. Water, or we can say liquids, are a bit compressible, little bit compressible only, not much. But here you can see half water, half is nothing. What is there inside then? The other half, what is there? If there is no water, what is there? Air is there. Half is filled with water, half nothing is there. So what is there inside? It is
Air.
And air is very compressible. The air you can compress. Okay, you can press it. This part you can press. So we can say that water, or we can say liquids are little bit compressible and they can flow. If you put the liquid on the ground, what will happen? Liquid is put on the ground, what will happen? It
will spread.
It is flow.
From one place to other. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move to the next slide. Gases. See, gases, they don't have any fixed shape. Okay. We did that experiment. They have no fixed shape. They have no fixed volume. And I want to show you something. You can see this balloon in my hand. What is there inside the balloon?
Air.
Air. And you can press it nicely, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? More than solid.
Yes.
So it shows that air is compressible. Air is compressible. Very, very compressible. Air is highly compressible. Okay? Is that clear? And air also can spread. The gas can also spread. So it is fluid. It is a fluid. It is not rigid. It is fluid. It can flow. It can spread. Are all the properties of solids, liquids, and gases clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, everyone clear with the properties? These properties are important. Are everyone clear with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll go to the next slide now. Okay, we discussed all this before, okay? Solids have fixed shape, fixed volume. Liquids take the shape of the container, they have fixed volume. And gases don't have fixed shape, they don't have fixed volume. Okay, next slide. Okay, now we'll discuss about what is there inside the matter. Okay, matter is made up of small particles called molecules. They are made of small particles called molecules. I want to show you all something.
Molecules.
સાંભળવું છે મોલિક્યુલ્સ ના બારામાં સાંભળવું છે.
Okay, you can see something in my hand.
Yes.
Okay, it is a string of thermocol balls. Okay, now if this is matter, if we say this is matter, then each and every ball can be called a molecule. Each and every ball can be called a molecule. Okay? Matter is made up of molecules and all are looking the same. All are looking the same or not? The molecules? Are all the molecules looking the same?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now we can go back to the presentation. If you have a piece of chalk and you'll break it with a hammer, what happens? The smallest piece of chalk. With the smallest piece of chalk also you can write. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 So that small piece of chalk has the same property like the big chalk. With the big chalk you can write on the board. With the smallest piece of chalk also you can write. Yes or no? So it is having the same property like that of the matter from which it is come. Okay, the molecule is having the same property like that of the matter. Clear? And these molecules are connected to each other by bonds. They are connected to each other by bonds, by a chemical bond. They are connected to each other. If they were not connected, what would have happened? They would have gone here and there. But they are inside the matter because they are connected. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you're suppose you'll take a Cadbury chocolate, okay, and you'll break it to the smallest piece. If you'll taste that piece, how will it taste? Will it taste like lemon? The smallest piece of the Cadbury chocolate. Will it taste like lemon?
It tastes the same as the other chocolate.
It taste the
Yes.
same.
So every molecule has the same property like that of the big, like that of the matter from which it is come. All of you are clear with these two things? Okay, that every matter is made up of molecules. Every matter is made up of molecules. Okay, next slide. Okay, we already talked about bonds. Bond is a connection because there is a bond, so the molecules are together. Okay, next slide. Okay, now we'll see how these molecules are arranged. Look at the picture. Solid. You all can see the solid molecules. All of you, please look at the picture. See the solid molecules. Are they close to each other or are they far away from each other?
They are close from each other.
They are close to each other. Okay, that is why we cannot change the shape because they are so close to each other. We cannot change their shape easily. Now look at the liquids.
Maybe also.
They are molecules are little far from each other. Yes or no?
Far.
So that is what makes the liquid flow. That is why the liquids can flow. They can move, they can spread, they can flow. Okay? Look at the gas molecules. Tell me, what is the distance?
They are very far. They are very far from each other.
Yes, they are very fast. So they can easily spread to a very big place. They can spread in the whole area. Okay? Understood? Why the solids have a fixed shape, why the liquids can flow, why the gases can spread everywhere. And gases, if you try to put the molecules together, it can be compressed. We spoke about the balloon. The balloon can be compressed, highly compressed. Yes or no? Therefore, the gases can also be highly compressible. Okay? All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Next slide. We'll switch to the next slide.
ma'am.
Now you all will do an experiment. What you'll have to do is you'll have to see. I want to show you all how you all have to do the experiment. All of you all have thermocol balls. All of you all, do you all have thermocol balls?
No, ma'am. We have
Paper balls.
Okay. If you all have paper balls, well and good also, it will also work. Please show your paper balls. I want to see them. Yes, okay, very good. Everyone must show yours balls, whatever, if it is thermocol or if it is paper.
Anna, do you have a doubt?
Gauri, I can't see, beta. What did you show? Show it properly. I can see your hand.
Ma'am, I have thermocol balls.
Okay, okay, you have thermocol balls. Now what you will do, you all will to these thermocol balls, you all will put some glue, some gum, and you all will make it like this. I have made a solid out of it. You all can see. You all will stick the thermocol balls to each other. You all will stick the thermocol balls to each other. I have made a solid. Solids look like this. You all saw now in the picture. They are very close to each other. The molecules are very close to each other. Okay? You all have to put gum or glue in the thermocol balls and you all have to stick it to each other. All of you all try to do it. If you all don't have thermocol balls, use paper balls and put gum and stick it to each other. And do it and show it to me. This is how I have done it. Okay? You all also do it. So here what you all see that the molecules are very close to each other. This is a solid. Do it. Please do it, all of you. Stick the paper balls. Yes.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, how we should do it?
What
How we should do it?
I didn't. What did you? How is it?
How should we do it? I don't have Fevicol or gum.
Okay, then you will perform it afterwards. Okay, after that,
Done,
class,
ma'am.
you do it and you can show it to.
Okay.
You will pick up there in the group, right? The WhatsApp group. You will send it in the group. Okay. Others, those who have it, yes. Okay. You have Janisha. You did it with a few paper balls. After the class, you can stick more paper balls to it. Okay. You can stick more paper balls to it.
Okay, ma'am.
Alright, it is good, but you have done it in a good way. You can stick more paper balls to it so that it looks, little bit bigger. Anyone else who has completed it?
Ma'am, I did it. Ma'am, I didn't know how to do it. Ma'am, I did it. Ma'am, how should I do it?
Wait, one second. What did you ask? You all have to do it. All of you all have to do it. I'm telling you all from that time that all of you all have to do it. Okay? Now
I don't know how to do it.
see how you all have to do it. You all have to stick it with glue. You all have to stick the thermocol balls with glue.
Ma'am.
Anyone has completed it? Show it to me.
चेष्टा करो खोया पाई Ma'am, I completed.
Okay, let's see one by one. Let's start with Ainish. You've done it?
Oh,
Okay, he's not ready. Let's start with Gauri. Gauri, have you done it? Can you show it to us? Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Janisha.
fine.
Yes.
Well done.
Zinisha. Very good.
Okay.
Then we want to see Advait.
How to do it?
We can't see it. Can you adjust your camera? Very good. Very good.
Yes, very good, very good. Advait has done it very good.
Shaurya, have you done it?
now?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, very good.
Okay, Swara, have you done it? Very nice.
Yes, yes.
Very nice.
Very, very good. Yes.
Okay, Ainish, have you done it? Okay, I think we can move on to the next activity, Nicola ma'am.
Okay. So now next, all of you see how is it to be done. You all have to
Ma'am.
take a needle. Yes.
Ma'am,
You all
I
take a
can-
needle and thread. What?
Ma'am, I cannot do this with thermocol.
Okay, you'll do it after the class, okay? Try to do it after the class. Now what you all will do, you all will take a needle, okay? You all take a needle. All of you all have a needle? Put the thread
Yes.
into the needle, to the eye of the needle,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? And put one ball in, and you tie a knot at one end. Tie the knot like this. Tie a knot. Can you all tie a knot? If you all cannot, leave it. What you all will do, you all will put one ball into the needle and pull it down the thread. See, I have made this type. You all will pull one ball down the thread and you all will make a chain like this. Can you all do it? Yes. Advait, that is the way to do it. Pull it down the thread, put it through the needle, pull it down the thread and make a chain. All of you start doing it. Start doing it.
Ma'am, it's not easy to do it, ma'am.
Yes, it is not easy to do it, but you all can try to do it, okay? It is not easy. I also know it is not easy, but you all can try to do it. And this, you all can make it is what you all have to do. You all have to just put the ball into the, okay, who is having a paper ball? Who is having a paper ball? It will be little difficult with the paper ball. But with thermocol balls, it's very easy to do it. Okay? Try doing it. Thermocol balls, it's going to be very easy. Paper balls, little bit difficult, but still you all can do it.
Ma'am, it's not. I cannot do it easily. It's difficult to.
It's difficult. Show me, how are you doing it? Why is it so difficult for you?
Ma'am, my needle is broken.
Your needle is broken. Okay, let it be then. After the class, you can try it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. And you will make this chain and you will send it to the group. You can send the picture on the group.
Ma'am, I just did this one.
Okay, but these are not balls, but okay, fine. Nice. Okay, but you can do it with balls. Nice, Gauri. But you can do it with balls. It will look better. Okay, anyone else has done it?
इसको
Even 2
छुटा
to
हुआ
3
है
you can show it to me.
Done, I'm teacher.
Gauri,
Done, I am done.
Advait? Yes, okay. Very good, Advait.
Computer है. Robin is pushing.
Janisha? Janisha, have you done it? No? Okay. Janisha?
It's after.
You?
Let me see where to plug.
Show me how much you have done.
अच्छा लगा wait होने की. Until all these balls are finished, I'm going to.
Show it
I'm
to
not
me.
done yet. Jota अच्छा लगने से अच्छा.
Okay, one by one, you all can start showing. Let's start with Advait.
Yes.
Very, very good.
Ma'am, I can do it, ma'am.
Okay, you can do it. You can try.
Show Anish.
Gauri, show yours.
जिला जिला जिले जिले के देखे
Yes, yes. Okay. You can do
Very
it with
good.
balls.
तो खड़ा वहां तक
Okay.
वहां तक
Good. This is also
हाँ,
good.
हैं
Okay, who is showing next? Swara, you want to show? Very good.
Very nice. Very nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Janisha, ready? Very good.
Okay. Nice. Yes.
Zinisha, can you show Zinisha? Okay. Who else wants to show? Angela, you want to show?
Auntie, but I don't make.
You did not make? Okay, you make it after the class and send us pictures.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I could not do it because my paper balls came out.
Okay,
Okay,
so you can do it after the class and send us.
Yeah.
Where is Anna?
Okay.
Anna is not there. Shaurya, have you done it?
Ma'am,
Okay.
I broke my needle.
You broke your needle. Strong boy. Okay, you do it again with a different needle, okay? And this time don't break it. All right, Nicola ma'am will move on to the next activity. Students can continue this activity after the class, okay?
Okay. This can be called a liquid. Okay. The
Nicola, ma'am.
ball should be far apart. The
Nicola,
ball should be far apart. This can be called
ma'am,
a liquid. Okay.
ma'am,
Yes.
I have do it.
Yes, Angela,
I have do it.
show.
Sure.
Yeah.
Very good.
Okay. Yes. Good. Now what y'all will do? Y'all will take some balls and keep it there on the table. Wait, one minute. Okay. what you will do, see, I'm showing you how to make gas. How to make gas molecules. What you'll have to do, just take out some thermocol balls or paper balls and spread it.
Ma'am, your video is off.
No. When you see paper balls, not paper balls, thermocol balls, you spread it on the table. This is very easy to do. The easiest one. Spread it. Okay, you all can see molecules are very far from each other. Yes or no? This can be gas. Okay?
Okay.
All of you show that you all have done it. Very easy to do it. All of you can do it.
Ma'am, the desktop can't lean. So I've done it, but I can't show you. Ma'am.
Okay, fine. But you can click a picture and keep, okay? You can send it on the group. We can see it from there.
Okay.
Yes. Anyone who has done it? Angela, have you done it?
Ma'am, I didn't. Ma'am, traffic. Ma'am, I cannot do it. This mode.
It is not what I. Everyone can place paper balls or thermocol balls on somewhere there around.
Ma'am, I finished the previous experiment.
Okay, now this is very easy. Please do it soon and show it. Very easy. You'll just have to put.
Ma'am, I can't show you because the desktop can't clean, but I have done the previous experiment.
Okay, and this one also you all can send us pictures, okay, on the group. You all can send the pictures.
अच्छा मग एकूण बोलगा एकूण बोल जातो
Okay? Understood how I will do it? If you Next slide.
Ma'am, show it, ma'am.
I can do it. I can show the pictures, okay? Right?
cut करना है.
Okay, next slide. We'll move on with the next slide. All these are properties that
I cannot do teaching. I want to do it, ma'am.
Yes.
Inish, we are not able to understand. Can you repeat what you're saying?
Ma'am, I cannot do it, ma'am.
What you cannot do?
This one I cannot do easily.
Well, the last one?
I cannot do that one.
You can take your mama's or papa's help after the class, okay, to do that?
Okay. These are already the properties we have read. So we'll not discuss about it. All these properties we have read, okay? Next slide. Now I'll ask you some questions. Before that, you all let me know if you all have any doubts. Any questions you all have to ask me? Anyone? Children, any doubts you all have?
No.
No? Anyone?
No.
Yes.
I cannot make it more, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll be asking you some questions, okay? Leave the experiments now. You all will do it after the class. Now, you all can set it aside. You all can keep it aside. You all can do it after the class and you all will send us pictures on the group. Clear? Now I'll ask you some questions. Tell me, why do liquids flow? Why liquids flow? Anyone can answer? Why liquids flow?
Because liquid has not fixed shape.
Shape. Okay, very close to the answer, but it is not the exact answer anymore. Very close, but she is not completely correct. Okay. Anyone else who can answer why liquids flow? Because the molecules are far away from each other. I told you all before that the molecules are a little bit far, so they can flow. Yes or no? Okay. Molecules are far away from each other, so they can flow. Next question is, out of milk, sugar, and water, what is a solid? Out of milk, sugar, and water.
Sugar.
Very good. Okay. If you break matter, you get. If you break the matter, what are you going to get?
A piece.
A piece. What is a piece containing? What is that we discussed now? What are we seeing? Children, you can answer, right? What is, if you break matter, what are you going to get? You are going to get matter is made up of what?
Molecule.
It is with M. Yes, molecules. Very good. Okay. Next, how are the molecules joined? What is that called? How the molecules are joined to each other with a what is
By
it
the
joined
bond.
with? Bond. By a bond.
Bond.
Okay. Two examples of gases.
Hydrogen.
One more. Anyone? Hydrogen. Okay.
Nitrogen.
Today we will end the session here. Okay. All of you understood today. Now what you will do? You all will try to. You all will send the pictures on the group. Okay. You all are going to send the pictures of the experiments on the group. Everyone can do it. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.